Good afternoon, this is Lunar Monkey. I'm a volunteer on the HTMLCOIN Telegram group. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to back up your wallet. You should back up your wallet in case of any data loss on your hard disk. This is done quite simply. You go to File and Backup Wallet. I'll choose an easy location for this backup. I'll choose my desktop and I'll give it a sensible name. Choose Save. And you can see that on my desktop I now have a HTMLCOIN 2018.dat file. How you choose to keep this file safe is entirely up to you, but it should be kept safe, secure, and under your control. Some people might say that keeping it on a cloud storage service is perfectly fine. Some people would advise you against that. The only thing that I can provide is a suggestion that it's under your control all of the time and that you don't share it with anybody. That's all I have for now on backing up your wallet. So thanks for watching.